Hello everyone, my name is Fernando and this officially will be my first video for the tube. There are a couple already, but came out as side projects of things that I've done for different workshops or so. Basically, I decided to start making these videos just as another aid to the cocktails and the recipes that we posted on Instagram, the Juice Lab. Pretty much this project came out thanks to the pandemic, as everyone, we were quarantined at home and not being able to enjoy cocktails outside in bars and restaurants. So I decided to, start making some cocktails at home and sharing those with everyone on Instagram. Today we're gonna make something nice and refreshing. Will be a bock. A traditional bock is gonna be mainly ginger syrup or ginger flavor, some citrus and spirit. We're gonna make something a little fun, a little different. It's going to have 1 ounce of ginger syrup, homemade ginger syrup. Stir this a little bit. 1 ounce of ginger. We're gonna do fresh lemon juice. It's going to be half an ounce of lemon juice. And now we're gonna have some fresh orange juice. In this case, we're gonna add 1 full ounce of orange juice. As I mentioned before, usually it's like the ingredients that we already added, plus some sort of spirit. Gin is great, tequila is awesome. Personally, we'll go for mezcal, bourbon work great. But now I'm gonna have something a little more refreshing and not as boozy in a way, not so much alcohol content. And for that, I'm gonna bring one of my favorite spirits. Is Tiber, but Capitoline is a local DC distillery, and this is their take of the traditional Campari orange bitter liqueur. I really love this thing. So we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of Tiber by Capitoline, and then there's another great product that I discovered years ago, and this is coming from Europe. It's called Becherovka. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's same as the Capitoline Tiber. So Becherovka is an interesting herbal spirit. From my taste, it has a little bit of ginger, maybe some rosemary. Obviously, people have different takes on this, but I really like this. And we're gonna do, we're gonna do 1 ounce of this. So from the get-go, it's not gonna be the 2 full ounces of booze the traditional cocktail has, most of them. We're gonna do a little mix, so let's see what happens. Now we're gonna need some ice. I always prefer to have large ice cubes and possible clear ice. There are different ways of making clear ice. There are different things that you can find online of properties of clear ice or how to make clear ice at home, like in a way that's gonna be easy. I can post links of so forth later on, but for now we're gonna focus on the cocktail. Now we're gonna seal this guy. We're gonna have our glassware ready to go, and we're gonna shake it well. Nice little shake at the end. Gonna dump the whole content right there with a little splash, of course. Now we're gonna put this on the side. Gonna add a little more ice, and we're gonna top this with some club soda. Club soda is gonna need to be around 1.5 ounces, 2 ounces, depending how you feel it. We're gonna eyeball it, which that should be 1.5 ounces for me. And by the color, looks that is pretty much done. Let's settle this down, and there you go. A nice bock, refreshing and low ABV, low alcohol content. Cheers. Summertime, ready. Cheers guys, and for any questions, comments, another comment over there or follow the Instagram post, and you're gonna find more recipes on the Instagram. Cheers and hope to see you soon. Take care.